I have some quick channel administration and updates that I want to go over with you all in a separate video. Firstly, I want to apologize for jumping the gun on Wednesday videos. I've not been able to create any for the time being because of other commitments. Expect those in June. Secondly, some videos on the channel have been getting demonetized for one reason or another. Although this is a hobby with books, films, editing software, and other expenses, it's a rather expensive hobby. With some of the videos being demonetized, I am rolling out a YouTube membership program. By no means should you feel obligated to support the channel financially. By watching the videos, you are doing more than enough. But if you feel so inclined, you can click the little join button next to the subscription button, which seems to only be on the browser version of YouTube and not on the app. The membership costs $3, and you will have early access to the Saturday videos, of which the one for this Saturday is up. Updates on projects in the community tab, the ability to vote on future content, and a little membership icon next to your name. I'm still hashing out some ideas for the membership program, so let me know some ideas in the comments. Again, please don't feel obligated to join, it's just an extra way to help support the channel. That's about it for this little update video. Thanks again everyone for watching, and we've got a real banger for Saturday, so much so YouTube doesn't want it monetized.